Welcome to Beyond the Map, the one-stop Web3 tourism platform powered by Hedera. On one side, we have the products and services provider, travel agencies, transport companies, certified local guides and artisans, etc. On the other side, we have the travelers visiting Morocco from around the world. They can easily book experiences, go on hikes, purchase artisan goods, etc. Every journey is secured through smart contracts, every visit can be validated with an NFT proof of visit, and every transaction is made seamless through the Hedera wallet. This way, we ensure transparency, trust, and ownership across the travel ecosystem. It's a single, decentralized platform where culture meets technology and tourism.
So, hi and welcome everyone. First of all, we want to start with our hashback wallet integration. So here, as you see, when we're going to log in, we choose our account, like if you are a tourist agency owner or if you are the admin. By default, when you open the wallet, you will see your wallet there. We're gonna connect here as a new user. So here we can see, like in the navbar for agency, here there is a form to register your agency. You have to put your agency name, your location, and later we are going to add some legal documents, like to ensure that this agency is already approved by the government and anything to be legal. So here press register agency. We have like to approve our transaction with our wallet. So here we wait like for 3 or 4 seconds and success. Here we press done. So register agency request is sent now to the admin. Now we can see it. So here we go, like we open our admin wallet. So we have admin panel now. So as you can see here, the dashboard, we have all the information about our website. Like we have total agencies, tours, bookings, users, and we are going to add more what the admin need. So here we go for pending only. We can see the latest request. Here we can even approve it or reject it. Also we'll approve this transaction. So boom, success. Now the agency is registered. Now this agency owner can add the tour, and tourists are able to book a tour and see it. So very nice. So now let's get back as a tourist and try to book a tour. We can go there for explore page, and we can see all the available tours here in the application. Like we see the price, the date, the place, anything related, any information provided by the agency. And then like if we want to book one, click pay, we have the amount, and also again we have to approve this transaction and wait a little bit, and it's success again. So here we booked the tour in Beyond the Map application. So here we have also my bookings page, when you can see your tours which completed or upcoming, how much you spent money in hashbar here. And also we have my proofs, like when the tour is ended, we are going to make the proof of visit, which is an NFT which will be minted when the tour is finished. Like just the user have to make request. As here you can see the tour is not finished yet, so as you read available after tours end, like you have to wait for him, then you have to So let's check by another account, like which has tour finished tour. Yes, as here you can see the button now. The tour is finished. You can see here request NFT proof. We have just like to press on it, request, and boom, like now the request is sent to the admin. As we can log in again and go as the admin wallet. And here we go for pending requests, and we can see the request from the user of needing this proof of visit NFT. And here we just click approve mint NFT, and boom, the NFT is minted for this specific user and added.
So now I'm in front of La Medina. I will show you how the AI experience works. I just need to start a session.
Based on the image, you are in front of La Medina de Coyote. Is there anything else you would like to know about? That is the Al Masjid an-Nabawi Mosque in Agadir. It's also known as the Mohammed V Mosque. Here is some historical and cultural information about the monument.
Du coup, ce qu'on fait ici, c'est Beyond the Map, on fait de la préservation, la mise en valeur de l'héritage marocain.
Ah, c'est super ça.
We bring it to life à travers la réalité augmentée et à travers le travel buddy qui est en fait intelligent. Il est entraîné sur le Maroc, sur l'histoire du Maroc, sur les monuments historiques.